If you ever finished a call or meeting and thought, wait, what did we decide? Or you are stuck rewatching recordings just to find one code, this is for you. Today, I'm unboxing and testing the Comulytic Note Pro, a super slim AI recorder that turns conversation into actionable notes without the usual transcription fees. I'm going to show you the full flow, unboxing, the setup, and then 2 real-world demos. In-person recording on a table and phone call recording with the device magnetically attached to the back of my phone. You guys excited? Let's get started. So let's see what's inside. All right, let's open it up together. Okay, inside the box, we have the actual device, right? The Comulytic Note Pro device, of course. Let's open it. All right. So this is freaking small. Okay, not sure if you can see, but this thing is really small. That's crazy. Okay, what else do we have? I guess the charging cable, small connector, a ring, and the quick start guide. This is a seriously slim 0.12 inch thin, lightweight, and easy to toss in the pocket, right? Like, or you can put it in a bag. It's like a card, literally. Okay, so let's put this ring. Why not? Then, of course, wow. Okay. Then we're gonna put Comulytic Pro on this. Okay, and like this. Finally, right? Okay. Looks nice, sleek. I think the whole idea here is simplicity. It's designed for one-touch recording, right? This means you are not fumbling with settings or switching buttons in the middle of a call or a meeting, right? So we have just one button and pretty much start recording, right? It also uses a multi-microphone setup with intelligent noise reduction, which is huge if you are recording in a cafe, office, or anywhere that isn't perfectly quiet. Perfect. Okay, let it charge for a moment. It's recommended charging up, right? Because one standout claim here is up to 45 hours of recording on a single 1.5 hour charge. Very good. Which, if you think about it, it's wild. If you do a lot of meetings back to back, could be helpful. I like it. Okay, now, next, I'll connect it with the companion app. The setup is pretty straightforward. So let's see. Okay, so we have at this point installed the Comulytic application. Now let's open the application, right? It says to send us notification, yes. It also says email password to log in. Just sign up with our email and let's choose a password. Then when they send the verification code to the email, let's get that. Yes, we got the email. This is the code. Copy that and paste it here. Okay, select your profession. Business, consultant, lawyer, accountant, health related, others. So I do sales and let's go for real estate. Save. Now the device is pairing, it's connecting. Very good. So far, so good. Activate the device, please, and hold the button for 2 seconds. We are connected. That's good. Now they have a setup. Let's see. So to get started, check up list. enhance AI recognition, enable cloud backup, customize AI output, start recording from the app, sync files seamlessly, turn speakers to contacts, centralize your to-dos, and use Comulytic on web. Okay. Then we have all the files. Then we have the contact, actions, and me. Okay, premium plan, unlimited subscription, basic to summary. How much is it? Unlimited, okay. Gives you unlimited subscription, basic, blah, 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 combat plans. Okay. Oh, that's cheap. It's like $120 per year for the premium plan if you want annual. And if you want monthly, there is $15 per month. Got it? So pretty much once you are in, the goal is press once to record and let the app handle the transcription summary. So let's see. Press once, stand by, and now is recording. Okay. You're gonna see? That's cool. Okay. So at this point, the app handles the rest, like subscription summaries and organizing your conversation into something usable. Nice. We can even close that. It continues, right? So what I like is the fact that it offers truly unlimited transcription. That's super cool. There is no limit on time or something like that. So yeah, here's the headline feature. Truly unlimited speech-to-text transcription. I like that. With no monthly transcription fees. That's awesome. And an important note, some advanced AI features do require a subscription, but the unlimited transcription piece is the big value add. I love it. Also, very important, it supports 113 languages, and the transcription plus summary engine is powered by GPT-5 and Gemini. So it's built for accuracy even in real conversation, not just studio audio. Okay, so let's start recording, right? Yep, now it's recording. Awesome. So we're gonna speak naturally as if in a meeting, right? Okay, quick recap. We need 3 deliverables by Friday, final outline today, draft Wednesday, and revisions Thursday. Also, follow up with Sam about the budget cap and confirming next week meeting time. And see what's up. We close like this. It's paused. Then we save it. Recording stopped. And we have it 41 seconds, right? Let's get the summary. Nice. It's already transcribed. Awesome. Generating in progress. Recording, right? And now it's recording. Awesome. So we're going to speak naturally as if in a meeting, right? Okay, quick recap. We need 3 deliverables by Friday. Final outline today. Draft Wednesday and revisions Thursday. Also, follow up with Sam about the budget cap and confirming next week meeting time. Okay, now let's jump into the app and see what's up. We close like this. It's okay, nice. So we got the conversation, which is turned into text, right? It's generating the text and the summaries. We got a notification. The summary is done. Very nice. I like it. Well, insights. Nice. We got some nice outputs and action list. We also got the highlights, right? Now, this is where it gets really good. You can generate adaptive summaries, right? You can do conversational Q&A, like what were the deadlines, and even pull out a to-do list automatically. That's awesome. Markers completed. And that's the difference between a recording you never revisit and notes you can actually act on. That's awesome. We can ask the AI to write a follow-up email. Super cool. I will do that later. Meanwhile, let's do the phone call recording mode, right? A correct use, right? So now for the second mode, right? This is the one a lot of people ask about. Phone call recording, easy phone call recording, how we should do it. Now, the correct usage here, the device is designed to be magnetically attached, right, to the back of your phone, and it captures both sides of the call in high quality without needing speakerphone. That's awesome. So pretty much you attach it like this, then it holds, right? So let's say I get a call, right? I can start recording with one touch. That's simple, right? So let's simulate a call, right? Like this, we open the call, right? We start from the back. Okay, so we hold for 2 seconds and the call, it started to record automatically. Hey, just confirming, can we move the deliverables to Monday? Perfect. And can you send me the final requirements list? Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay. Then, with a touch of a button, okay, saved, right? So back in the app, we get the transcription, and then we can ask, what did we agree to, right? Get summary. Now it's generating. Nice. So this is the notification we were waiting for. Pretty fast. So we go back in the app, right? And you will get the transcription, and then you can ask, what did we agree to, right? What are the next steps? Then you can ask anything you like, right, about the conversation, so you can remember. The deliverables were moved Monday. That's awesome. We can also ask to summarize this. We have the insights. We have an action list as well. That's awesome. With bullet points for email. And if you do client calls, if you do sales calls, right, interviews, consults, this kind of structured output is a massive time saver, isn't it? Yes, indeed. Okay, so we hold for 2 seconds and the call, it started to record automatically. Hey, just confirming, can we move the Perfect. And can you send me the final requirements list? Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, nice. We have insights, bullet points, checklist, action list. Awesome. Let's ask to summarize this and bullet points for email. Now, one more thing people care about is storage, right? There's cloud storage via Amazon, and the data transmission is described as secure and encrypted, which is reassuring when you are recording important conversations. I like that. Action we need to take. Cloud backup is on. Okay, use mobile data, delete recordings from the cloud, Comulytic web, my voice setup, my devices, preferences. And the premium plan is like, I'm gonna read you all the features in a minute. So before we do that, let me tell you who this is for and a quick recap of calls. So you have one-touch recording for meetings, for calls, and video conferences. You have truly unlimited transcription with no monthly transcription fee, or like that. You have smart outputs like summaries, like Q&A and to-do lists. That's awesome. You also have 113 languages, which is powered by GPT-5 and Gemini, like I said, and battery that can go up to 45 hours recording on 1.5 hour charge. That's awesome. Now, of course, if you want to stop losing details from your calls and meetings and actually turn conversation into clean notes and next steps, this is worth checking out, in my opinion. Worth checking out, worth testing. And I'll put a link and any promo details in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can check there for the latest. You're welcome. And as usual, thanks for watching. And if you want, tell me, what would you use this for most? For meetings, for interviews, for classes, or client calls, or, anything you have in mind? I want to know. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. And if you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. And as usual, see you guys on my next AI tool recommendation or device like this one. Thank you. Bye-bye.